What's up, YouTube? Southern Smoke Boss said it again. So, it's partnered with Burrow House Cooker. I'm gonna do their grill special on hanging stuff in there. So I'm gonna do 3 whole chickens, hanging them up in there. I got 3 nice birds. I'm gonna inject them with some, Creole garlic. Then I got some Creole I'm gonna sprinkle on there. So they got some nice hooks. You have to come around, hook the chicken, just come through like that. And this is how you hang them up in there. You see the pieces nice and sharp. So I'm just gonna come up under the skin, go in that breast. You can see it's starting to just lift up the skin, come up under there. You can see it's starting to get a lump. So I'm gonna come around here. Hey, give a little more. So I'm gonna just sprinkle Creole over it, get it, nice and covered. Flip it over. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and season up the other 2 birds, and I'll let you guys see when I'm lighting the grill in a second. Yeah, the Burrow House, it was a very quick setup, 15-minute startup, and then the good thing about it is no fussing, no flipping, no flaring up. Got the nice little top with the gauge on it. You can hang it right there like so. Boom. And you just hang your ribs, your chicken, your meat from there. I'm ready. Yeah, you can hang anything pretty much you want to hang from here. Deer meat, turkeys, chicken, ribs, baby back ribs. Anything. You just hang it. That way you ain't got to worry about flipping it. No flare-ups. No fussing with the meat. You can just let it cook. Just let it roll. So the burrow just goes straight on top of this. I'm gonna go ahead and light it on up. Put a little lighter fluid. You can either do it like this, or you can get you a chimney choco and yeah, it takes about maybe 10-15 minutes. And you just stick the burrow right down on it. You can if you want some little extra smoke flavor, you can use some small wood chunks or some wood chips just for some extra, smoky flavor, if you prefer that. There's no babysitting with this. Nice airflow. So with this, you can see it right here. slide the lever into the dots are representing here. So that's this right here. So it all depends on where you at for the elevation. So since where I'm at is, you know, the elevation is not too bad, I'm just gonna pull one dot out. So you see, cold nights and hot, I added me some wood chunks. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the burl over here. Just slides down nice, easy. I'm gonna set it on there for about 5 minutes, and let it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the top off. See, didn't even realize that much. I was cooking that much in there. So we're gonna come over and grab the chickens like this. And we just go hang them down on there. Like so. Nice and warm too. See, you see I still got all that room with them 2 chickens now. You can fit 8 chickens in here, nice sized birds. This is the C18. You can fit 8 slabs of ribs and up to a 30-pound turkey. So it only came with 8 hooks, so I gotta make that do. Hang it like that. Let's go ahead and put the top on. We'll come back and check in about 2 hours. So you see it got the nice and easy hook. Pull it straight off. Look at that nice bird. You guys, I hung these chickens. Hey, I think I'm hooked. They said if you hang them, hey, you hooked. You'll never go back. That nice. Look at that juice dripping from there. Let's stick this over here in my roaster. Just look at that. Nice color. And I still got plenty of room to put more chickens in this grill. You can see how much room I had. You know, I can smell it already. Look, you can still see how hot the coals is after 4 hours. Look at that. We're going in the house and cut these bad boys. Let's go ahead and cut this bad boy open. See what we got. The knife like butter. Oh, I think I'm hitting the, that's what's holding it back. Fork to hold it in place. Look at the inside of that bird. Look at that. Just a little of that Creole injection I put in there, you can see. That leg coming off. Look at that go. Just pull pull our little hook out. You can hang everything from. Hey, check them out. Thank Andrew and Matt for reaching out to me, getting me connected with Burrow House Cooker. Thanks Burrow House Cooker for sending me the nice grill to check it out. You can barbecue, smoke, grill, easy lit in 15 minutes. Man, you can go, it's so many things you can do with this. They got extra accessories on their website, which you can go to burrowhousecooker.com and check it out. So be sure to check it out if you're in the market looking for a nice, easy setup grill. Took me less than 5 minutes to set this up. Look how nice and sturdy it is. Hey, this thing, I mean, my chickens are done and it's still rolling. I mean, I've been on here for 4 hours and it's still hot and the coals are still nice and heated. Like, I just lit them. You can get at least a good 8 hours if you fill that basket up full of coals. I'm pretty sure. Hey, but it's not much more I can say. But if you're really looking for a grill, go check it out. All you need is, if you buy wood chips or wood chunks, wood chips probably work really well with it. You want to smoke you some ribs, brisket. Then it comes with the rack so you can sit different meats. You can put hamburgers, hot dogs, your brisket on there if you want to turn it to a smoker. The belly, look at the nice holes, nice grip handles, everything. And you can also go to their website and check out more videos at BHC18, because this right here is the Hang It You'll Be Hook, the 18C. Hey, thanks again, Burrow House Cooker. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and go check out Burrow House Cooker. And more videos coming at y'all daily. Thanks.